it's me, ShaanMu and Amrita.
Hi!
You guys are watching us on Femina X Grazia Virtual Beauty Carnival. I'm so excited to show you guys easy hairstyles, what you guys can do without any professional help. What you guys just need is flowers, bob pins, a hairspray, tail comb, and of course some artificial hair and rubber band. And now let's start creating the looks. To create this first look on Amrita, which is your favorite corner partition? This or that?
This one.
This one. So we kept it already ready, and you guys know nowadays we all love playing around with the hair. So what I'm going to do is, to get that Indian beautiful cute look, I'm going to start to braid from the starting of the hair. To start this look, what I'm going to create is like a braided twisty which comes at the side of your neck, and it looks really sexy on Indian outfit. For creating this look, what you guys have to do is super easy. You guys take a portion off from where the partition starts and you guys braid it. So guys, I am going to take an entire partition where I am braiding. It's super easy, you guys can all do it at home. It's one of the easiest looks we have all learned from very young age. To braid the hair, and what I've done is I have started from the partition and I'm braiding it down, and this you guys have to repeat 3 times. So this is the first time. Once the first partition is done, you take another braid again till the ear, and I'm going to braid this also. Now I take the rest of the hair and I start twisting it. Twist it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the first twist also into the twist. What you guys need in this time is a bob pin, which I'm going to pin with the twist. 1. I'm going to take the second portion, twist it once, and I'm going to pin the braid and the twist together. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the entire rest of the hair, twist it, and if there is some hair which stands up, you can twist this also and pin it here. And I'm going to bring it at the lower nape of Amrita's hair, and I'm going to twist the other side now, and I'm going to bring it around. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rubber band and twist it around so that I get this beautiful texture in the back. And now is the icing. I'm going to take this hair, twist it around and pull it back here, and again with some pins I'm going to secure it. Wherever you guys feel like the hair is not in place, take another piece of pin and clean it off. This is a super easy cheap hairstyle, guys. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of a little hair which I've kept out. I'm twisting it and pinning it, framing Amrita's side of the face, and I'm going to pin it in. You guys can see there is already a lot of texture happening, and the rest of the loose hair I'm keeping it. To end this look, wherever you guys are, you guys can play around with flowers, and I love when you are a bridesmaid or when you are going to attend someone's wedding, you need to look a little bit fresh and happening that night. What I love to do is playing around with beautiful flowers. Today I'm going to use this beautiful purple flower very close to Amrita's neck. I'm going to pin it in. Is it hurting you?
No.
It's super easy, guys. You guys can do it anywhere. You guys don't need a specialist to do this. This also helps to frame the face and make this look more young and fresh. When you guys put the flowers in, you guys have to make sure it is placed very well, that in any picture you guys click, it looks beautiful and soft. And this flower gives you the drama, guys. And for all Indian weddings, of course, we know we need a little bit of drama. And the next look is going to be a fun look. For that, I'm going to use this special hair extension which I have, guys. This is very easily available in the market, guys, and what the good part of it is, it's not really expensive, it's not real hair, so you guys can pick it up from anywhere. Abroad you guys get this also. A bunch of this kind of hair costs abroad around $2 to $5, and in India you guys can get this kind of hair for 200 rupees to 250 rupees, which is really useful because this gives you a lot of volume and easy hairstyles without any professional people. And for this look, what I want you to use is this tiny 3 rubber bands, which is really important. So I'm going to ask Amrita to hold them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take from the first section from here. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm only taking the entire one section, and the same I'm going to repeat on the other side also. I have just taken the entire top portion, guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the rubber bands and I'm going to pin it up, and now I'm going to use the rubber band, and what I'm going to do, and I'm damn sure you guys all know this trick, we have been seeing years and years. I'm going to take this twist, it's super easy to do, so that I get a beautiful design. And if there are any hair sticking out, it's super easy. Take a pin and just pin it nicely in. Now I'm going to do the same, another portion, and I'm going to take again the ear to ear so that the earrings are visible and it looks really nice. I don't want you guys to really harden it. In fact, I want to give you guys a very soft look with this, because in Indian outfits a little bit volume looks always nicer. So I'm going to do my next rubber band, super soft, lower part, and put the rubber band. And like before, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to twist it around so that I get design number 2. Now I'm going to use the final rubber band, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the entire hair and start braiding it in so that I get this beautiful design in the back. And I'm going to use the rubber band in the end of the hair by holding a twist and keeping it nice and tight. So you guys get a design like this. I'm going to take a U-pin and go through this hair where I get a point like this, and I'm going to go through this and put some hairpins on the hair. This is super easy to do, guys. You guys can all do this look at home. It is damn easy, and it gives you volume for people who want a little bit more volume. It gives you that heaviness and thickness when you guys do this hair, and it looks stunning, guys. And everyone is going to ask you guys, who did your hair? Because it's a super easy hairstyle which you guys can actually do in 5 minutes. It's about how you place the pin and how you decorate the hair from the back. But I love playing around. I love playing around because it gives me a lot of options, and the prettiest what I love in this is it gives you a lot of volume and makes your hair look nice and thick. And the extra hair I'm going to take and pin it around so that you don't see any of the rubber bands and the hair looks nice and neat and clean. You guys can play around with the hair as much you guys want. It looks real and it looks nice and designed. Make sure the pins are not seen from outside. So what I do for that is I hold the hair and I pin it up. So this is the final look, how it looks from the back. Lovely. And from the front, turn on this way. And this is how it looks from the front. You guys can keep also some hair loose, which makes it super nice and soft and more natural without any problem. And for the final look, what you guys need is a tail comb, again, few rubber bands and hairpins and a little bit hairspray if you need it. It's super easy guys, but what I want to give on Amrita for this look is a little bit of back combing so that there is nice volume. And how you guys back comb is you guys take a section of hair, back comb it back, put a little bit hairspray from far away, so that you guys get this beautiful natural height. What you guys have to do is don't brush it out, but with your hands dab it so that there is a little bit of volume. And the same I'm going to repeat again because I want to get that 1960s feel, because height and volume for Indian outfits are always beautiful, but I'm keeping the front more fashionable and stylish. For this look, I'm going to give Amrita a middle partition because we already did 2 side partition, and now it's time for the middle. I'm going to give a little bit back combing on the side and brush it out. I'm going to put a little bit hairspray so that the hair stays the entire day where it has to stay. Now I am going to take the side, and like you guys can see, I'm going to give this beautiful twisty again because I want that Indian feel to it. So the twisty, a soft twisty, and I'm going to pin the twisty inside Amu's hair. And a small trick to you all, if you guys ever twist, if you guys want to put it through inside, what will happen is the twisty will stay where it has to stay. And I'm going to put the pins in crisscross way through the inside. And the twisty will stay where it has to stay the entire night. The same I'm going to repeat on the other side, where I'm going to twist, twist and twist Amrita's hair till I get this beautiful design. And we all know how to twist hair. Do you know, Amrita, how to twist her hair?
Yes.
See, every girl knows how to twist. Again, I'm holding the pin inside the twist so that I get the twist really well. And I'm going to put again more pins inside the twist because I want the twisties to stay the entire day in place so that you guys don't see the pin. And I push it in as much I can, and even if the pins are visible, I put the real hair on top of it. So the twisty is done. And now it's time for me the division again. And in a very, very soft motion, I am going to braid the hair. And make sure guys, you guys don't braid it too. Make sure you guys don't braid the hair too tight. I want that loose braid and keep a little bit of the ends of the hair loose. And I'm going to put the rubber band on the side, and I'm going to take out slowly section which is going to become later my design. So I'm going to loosen it up more and more. That's why I asked you guys not to take too much of the hair out and make it loose like this. And the same I'm going to repeat on the other side. Super loose I am doing the braid, and again I'm not going to braid till the ends. I'm going to keep it in halfway through, and I'm going to put a rubber band. And I'm going to take out hair out so that I get that messy feeling. And guys, trust me, clean look is not anymore in trend. The trend is to have messy hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this portion and I'm going to pin it on Amrita's hair on the other side by using again bobbin, holding the rubber band in place. So I'm going to take 1, 2, and a crisscross where the bun will stay. And the same I'm going to repeat on the other side by taking it inside though this time, so that I get this beautiful curl and twist, and the rubbers are not going to be visible and the hair will stay the entire night. And I'm going to spray it directly so that the entire night the hair looks in place. And to finish this look, to decor the hair, I'm going to take beautiful little flowers and I'm going to place it in different places so that it looks nice and girly. And of course, for Indian dress, it's always nice to have a little bit flowers, right? It makes always the look so much more interesting. And I'm going to place the flowers in different places and I pin it up. I love this look because this is super easy. You guys can dance the entire night. You guys don't need to worry whether the hair is coming off, looking frizzy. It is always looking nice and dressy. And yes guys, this is my look for you guys. Thank you so much Beauty Carnival for me to play around with my friend Amrita. Thank you so much Amrita for coming. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please let us know what you guys think about this look. So definitely share it with your friends who always needs a hairstylist, and now onwards she definitely doesn't need a hairstylist. You guys can create this super easy look by yourself and have a beautiful, amazing wedding season. Bye.